Next point is that it is the sonority. Sonority means यामध्ये मी लिहिलेलं नाही. Sonority means the metals which produces sound. Metals are sonorous. Sonorous म्हणजे काय? Metals which are produces the sound. Which produces the sound? When they are metals on the metals, another hard substance or hard surface strike on the metals, metal produces the sound, and so that metals which having the physical property, it is called as the sonority. Sonority ही पॉइंट मी इथे लिहिलेलं नाही. मग लक्षात घ्या, मेटल्स कोणती प्रॉपर्टी दाखवतात फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये? सोनॅरिटी. ओके, अंडरस्टँड these properties, physical properties. Then next we see what are the physical properties of non-metals. We see comparatively. Firstly we see that what are the physical properties of metal. Then next we see what are the physical properties of non-metals. In this, first point, we see that non-metals are electronegative. Why it is called electronegative? When these metals forms negative ions, means anions, by gaining the electrons. Which are the non-metals? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. These are the non-metals. Then next we see what are the physical properties of non-metals. First point is the physical state. फिजिकल स्टेट काय, कोणती स्टेट आहे त्याची? सॉलिड आहे, लिक्विड आहे का गॅसियस आहे? ओके, नॉन मेटल्स विच शो 3 फिजिकल स्टेट्स: सॉलिड, लिक्विड अँड गॅसेस. ओके, आता इन दिस which are the solid, which metals are solid, which metals are liquid, and which metals are gaseous? We see the example. In solid non-metals, which are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Then liquid non-metals, which one the example? It is the bromine. Bromine at room temperature, which is in the form of liquid state. And which are the gases non-metals? Which are the examples? We know that oxygen, O2, oxygen हा O2 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये नेचर मध्ये आढळतो. ऑक्सिजन, ओके, नायट्रोजन, then chlorine, etc. We know that O2, N2, Cl2, these are the gaseous forms of molecules of atoms, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine respectively. Okay, see here, physical state of non-metals which in the nature, which is in the form of solid, liquid and gases. In solid non-metals, which are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Liquid, bromine it is a non-metal which is in the nature in the form of liquid state. Then oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, these are the non-metals which are in the at a room temperature, which is in the form of gaseous state. Then next property, it is the luster. We know that they have a shining in nature, but in non-metals they do not lustrous. मेटल्स मध्ये काय बघितलं पण? मेटल्स आर लस्टरस. मेटलला एक प्रकारची चकाकी असते, पण नॉन मेटल्स विच डू नॉट लस्टर. Exceptional case is that for non-metals it is the iodine and diamond. Okay, iodine crystal and diamond crystal. Diamond, it is iodine, also the iodine is a non-metal, and also diamond is the allotrope of carbon. We know that carbon is the non-metal, and this carbon element of an atom of an element in the nature which is in the form of different forms. Which different forms? It is called as the allotropes. Which are the different forms? Graphite, diamond, and diamond it is the one type of allotrope of carbon which having the lustrous. तुम्हाला माहित आहे डायमंड हा कसा आहे एकदम लस्टरस असा नॉन allotrope ऑफ कार्बन आहे, म्हणजे तो एक प्रकारचं काय नॉन मेटल्स आहे. ओके. देन next physical property, it is the hardness. In metals we see that most of the metals are hard, exceptional case sodium, potassium, but in non-metals are brittle in nature. Brittle means in मराठी ठिसूळ म्हणतो आपण. कार्बन हा नॉन मेटल आहे आणि तुम्हाला माहित आहे कार्बन कसा असतो, कोळसा जो काही त्याचा एक फॉर्म आहे, कोळसा म्हणतो आपण कोल, तो कसा असतो ठिसूळ असतो. म्हणजे कार्बन इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ brittle, so that non-metals are brittle and also soft. Soft असतात non metals which are in the soft in nature. In this exceptional case is that diamond. Diamond it is the allotrope of carbon and which is the hardness. हार्ड आहे तो, म्हणजे तो कठीण आहे. एक्सेप्ट तुम्हाला माहित आहे डायमंड हा काय असा असतो एक प्रकारचा हार्ड allotrope ऑफ कार्बन आहे आणि डायमंड हा नॉन मेटल मध्ये मोडतो. आले लक्षात. देन नेक्स्ट fourth physical properties, it is called as the ductility. ओके. आता आपण मेटल मध्ये व्हॉट इज बीन बाय डक्टिलिटी म्हणलेले. मॅलेबिलिटी अँड डक्टिलिटी मध्ये दोघांमध्ये कन्फ्युजन व्हायचं नाही. डक्टिलिटी मीन्स टू प्रोड्यूस द वायर, टू प्रोड्यूस द वायर, अँड malleability means to produce the sheet. In ductility most of the non-metals which are non-ductile, नॉन डक्टाईल किंवा नॉन डक्टाईल म्हणजे आपल्याला इथं नॉन मेटल्स हे काय करता येत नाही, नॉन मेटल्सचं रूपांतर थीन वायरमध्ये करता येईल. पातळ अशा वायरमध्ये नॉन मेटल्स रूपांतर करता येत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे नॉन मेटल्स हे काय आहेत नॉन डक्टाईल अँड मेटल्स काय आहेत विच आर द डक्टाईल्स. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट इज malleability. Next property is the malleability. Malleability means to produce the into the thin sheet, and non-metals which are soft, so that non-metals not malleable, but metals are which are malleable. Okay. Then next physical property, it is the conduction of heat and conduction of electricity. Conduction of heat and conduction of electricity in the non-metals which are the bad conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Exceptional is case that lead. Lead is exceptional case which is the neither good conductor and nor good conductor of exceptional case. sorry यामध्ये आपण bad conductors of non metals which are the bad conductors of heat and electricity, and in this we know that exceptional case it is the graphite. Graphite it is the also allotrope of carbon and which is the good conductor of electricity. ग्राफाइट हा जो allotrope आहे कार्बनचा नॉन मेटलचा तो काय आहे इट इज द गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ electricity. Okay. Then next 7th physical property, it is the melting point and boiling point. Generally non-metals are low melting point and boiling points. Non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Exceptional solid non-metals which are carbon and boron which having the high melting point. high melting point यामध्ये जर बघितलं आपण तर मेल्टिंग अँड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट मध्ये नॉन मेटल्स काय असतात विच हॅविंग द लो मेल्टिंग अँड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. एक्सेप्शनल solid non-metals carbon and boron which having the high temperature, means which having the high melting point. The next is density. In density we know that for non-metals which having the low density, which having low non-metals which having the low density. Okay, and then next property we see here, sonority means to produce the sound, and for non-metals are not sonorous. And metals are sonorous. म्हणजे मेटल्स साऊंड प्रोड्यूस करतात आणि नॉन मेटल्स साऊंड प्रोड्यूस करत नाहीत. म्हणजे मेटल्स आर सोनरस व्हेन दे आर प्रोड्यूस साऊंड ऑन स्ट्रिकिंग अँड नॉन मेटल्स डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस साऊंड व्हेन दे आर ऑन स्ट्रिकिंग. ओके, in this way these are the physical properties of metals and non-metals, and from that we see in periodic tables metals are classified into how many classified into which types? Metals, non-metals, and also metalloids. We see the definition of metalloids. Metalloids means metals which are intermediate between metals metals which are no elements which are intermediate between metals and non-metals. These are called metalloids. And which are the example of metalloids? Silicon, germanium, etc. Silicon, germanium, antimony, Sb. These are the metalloids. Metalloids means the elements which shows both the properties of metals as well as non-metals. म्हणजे असे एलिमेंट्स पिरियोडिक टेबलमध्ये जे दोन्ही प्रॉपर्टीज, जे काही आपण फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बघितले किंवा आता नंतर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज पाहणार आहेत, जे काय फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीजमध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल मेटल्स म्हणजे काय, नॉन मेटल्स म्हणजे काय. तर हे जे काय फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीजमुळे जे काय मेटल्स अँड नॉन मेटल्सचे जे काय प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत which are both properties of metals and non-metals which are shown by metalloids. So that metalloids are which elements which shows both the properties of metals and non-metals.